So I'm gonna ask you one time, bro. Why does your room look like this? Please explain to the people. Dance. What? Talk, Tess. Say hey now. Dance, 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 dance. There you go. All right. You listen to Eminem, bro? Huh? Okay. Show them how you get it. Who is that? Eminem. Yeah, say it again. Who is that? So, who's the GOAT? Who? Stop dancing to Eminem. Who's the GOAT? It ain't Eminem. Who's the GOAT? It is not Eminem. Stop saying Eminem is the GOAT. No, he's not. Oh, yes, he is. No, he's not. Mind your own business. And I ain't even going to repeat the swear word you just said. Or say it again. Troublemaker.